My favorite part is DIY, MrCool. Last real page of information is how to connect your indoor unit to your outdoor unit. Next page, electrical and gas leak checks. Okay, so you showed me how to get power from my indoor unit to my outdoor. How do I get power to the units together? How do I get power from my house to the units? It doesn't tell you. It doesn't tell you at all. It's because it's not a DIY. You have to be an electrician to hardwire it to your house. They don't tell you that though. They tell you this is DIY.
Guess what's blasting out the cold air? All done with the install. Got to tidy up some things outside, but it is cranking out the cold. It's pretty awesome.